Hey guys, how's it going? Alright guys, let's try to bank today. Yeah, I had a pretty decent day today, so I'm not gonna complain. I wonder where this market's gonna go though, right? It's really confusing. Really confusing the hell out of me right now. Beanie Lee, man. I did not get rich today. I doubt if I did. But I certainly paid for my labor, I would say. Gringo, man, you got you got blasted today. Rafi, what is going on, man? Massimil, what is up? What is up, everybody? Welcome back, guys. Great to see y'all back again. Okay, so yeah, it did not make me rich. I like that. Lost to funded. Well, to funded account, bro. It's okay. It's not the end of the world, man. I know it kind of sucks, but you know, well, I guess it really depends on how many accounts you have, right? If you got a lot of accounts to kind of play, then yeah, maybe it doesn't feel as bad. But it also depends. If it's a fresh new account that you lost, then it's okay. But if it's a very expensive account that you lost, then yeah, it kind of hurts. I feel you, brother. I feel you. Okay, so guys, coming back to my trades, I'm gonna try and trade. We'll start off with the top step. Okay, we'll start off with the top step. We'll look to make $150 on each of my top step accounts to kind of lock it in as a day. Okay, so that's the plan for coming into today, Globex Asia, guys. We'll start the day trading on micro accounts across all my XFAs. Okay, we'll try to lock it in. We'll try to finish it off, and so we can move on to something else. You made $4,400 across 3 accounts today. Nice, man. Rapid, man. That's good stuff. Great job to those that made money. Tiger, you're so dumb. Uh-oh. What happened there? With less than 20 minutes left in the market, I went full port short in the funded accounts. Lucky I only lost $400, but I thought it was an eval. Oh my god, yeah. It happens to me all the time. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I was streaming this morning for about 2 hours, and I thought I was trading my in micro, I thought, but then for some reason I was on my mini contract, and that too on an account that really matters. So we're in a wild times, man. It's not, I think that's also because of the market volatility. We are kind of like getting shaken out, you know, so we have to be careful, guys. The market's really making a lot of traders you know, get a little bit of a mental breakdown. So be careful, guys. I hope all of you are trading safe, doing well lately. Profit factor, it was crazy work today in this market. Yeah, it was definitely very crazy, guys. You know, it's not an easy market, I tell you that much. But yeah, at least I'm glad I'm still here surviving. I'm really glad that I'm still here surviving, guys. Of course, it's a battle and that is going on.
오, 지금 텔레그램.
Venki Deep, happened to you today for one account. Lucky that trade was in profit. Yeah, we need some luck, guys. You know, people say we get lucky, but you know what? if you're getting luck on your side, it's, you know, it's not a fluke. You're getting luck for a reason. You know what I mean? Because your probability of to get that luck is on your favor. That's why. And that's why it's not pure luck, right? You deserve that luck. That's what it is. Anyways, guys, I am trying to. This is on my 30 minutes chart. I wonder how this is gonna kind of play out. You're really lucky today. Lost 4 funded accounts. Oh my, what? Vendikit, man. Which are ready for payouts. That almost kind of feels like last night. StockTiger getting ripped over $3,000 on that a very important funded account that I lost. It happened to along with you last night. Oh my god. I'm sorry to hear that, brother. I'm so sorry. All right, so we'll start the day. We'll trade Top Step, and we'll try to make quick $150 if we can. The market obviously got a bounce towards the end of the day, so I'm not sure what this really means. It almost kind of feels like there is that buying pressure stepping in here. So I wouldn't want to just try to short this market right off the bat. I am still looking for, I would say, a bounce back into the 349s before we try to maybe pull back. Right, so I'm gonna try and long the pullback here, guys. Okay, and we'll try to place a hard stop so I don't kind of get you know, blow an account today. We test the area. Thoughts on the session? I just explained that right now. 25 to 55. 255 is all the way down. I don't, honestly, I'm not sure. The kind of a bounce that we had today towards the end of the day makes me kind of feel like we could get a little bit of a bounce back up again, guys. We could, right? I was looking for something like this to take place, right? And then break down from this pivot, but we obviously got a bounce off that level. So I'm kind of thinking maybe we have a little bit more bounce, right? Before we try to get another pullback here. Maybe 361 could be an area to do it. So yeah, that's what I kind of feel like this market's gonna do. It's gonna be, again, guys, I think today is gonna be another confusing day, a difficult day to kind of trade, right? This market, Globex ASIA, as much as we are getting that volatility, I kind of feel like it's also creating a lot of confusions in this market. So I don't want to just get caught on the wrong side. I'm gonna try and be very cautious coming into today. And try to be more careful in my trades, but I'm gonna still try and bank, right? I'm gonna try and close all my XFA accounts with $150 or more, and I'm gonna have my hard stops as well along the way. All right, guys, we've got 1 more minute to go now for this Globex Asia to start. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading. RTS DR9080 Degen option game towards the end of the day. Yeah, this towards the end of the day, man. We got a nice, beautiful squeeze back up again. Open. The market is open now. All right, guys. I entered one, but then it's not getting filled. I wonder what it is. Yeah, this is the problem with the Project X, right? It doesn't execute your order right at the start. That's the problem. Now, just imagine if this actually ends up pulling back you all the way down, then I will be pretty negatively in red, right? Yeah, it's not even showing now, man. It's frustrating how the Project X is. What is up with this, guys? I can't. Where's my order? I can't see my order, guys. Oh my god. All right. Anyways, I think it's very important to kind of just stay calm and not get frustrated for whatever the reason it may be. Anyways, guys, I've got two micro contracts I've loaded in. I think probably my average would be in 289, but still I can't see my orders. So let me try to refresh. Maybe if I refresh, maybe I get it right now. I don't know. All right, still not there, guys. I have a little problem. All right, guys. Yeah, this is a bit of a problem. Let's try to see if I can add one more right now. Oh, it's only showing now. It's never getting filled right at the start.
Order filled.
All right, that's fine. That's weird. That's weird though. The order actually never even was there. I don't know, it's weird. Alright guys, I'm gonna look for a bounce back into 3 or 4. I'm gonna look for a pullback, and the pullback to be bought. Okay, I'm gonna look for a little pullback down into this level, and I'm gonna try and look for long. All right, guys. I'm trading my XFA accounts right now. Oh my god, it's going. My Tradify Grand Cup, they failed me, guys. They failed me. They're telling me to reset the account. Now what the heck is that, man, guys? I have no idea. Oh my god, I don't understand. I don't understand how to. I'm not gonna play that that tourney, man, at all. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's stupid, guys. Anyways, let's put our attention back into this. All right, guys, let's try to bank this. Man, we are getting a bounce here. I don't understand. Why would they reset my freaking account? Anyways, forget about it, guys. We'll stick to XFA, guys. Let's try to see if we can actually get a bounce back up again. I'm gonna look to try and add to my short position, sorry, long position here on a pullback. So we'll see, guys. We're getting that rejection of that 296. Wow, look at that pullback. That's a pretty aggressive sell-off here, guys.
Order filled.
Yeah, I don't like this, guys. I'm gonna try and short this.
Order filled. Order filled.
The 1 hour is a 30 minutes chart. The 30 minutes chart looks pretty I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. I'm not gonna talk too much now. Anyways, I've got my hard stop there, so we'll see how it goes, guys. I'm shorting now. I flipped to short after seeing that dump of rejection off the VWAP there, guys. Was it gonna bounce? We get a bounce. It is what it is. I've got 10 micros. I think at most probably 10 micros, man. I don't think I can be ever anything more than that, to be honest. Anyways, I was down 45 bucks, and now I've flipped to short, and I'm shorting this market now, guys, at 275 right here. We'll see if we get a dump or we push back up again. I'm gonna place my stop here at 288 as well. The bit tight stop, if you will, or maybe I should be here in this 295 maybe. Oh dear, we are getting a bounce, man. I think this is gonna fake me out. Anyways, guys, I haven't changed the thesis. I'm gonna try and short this, continue shorting this. We'll see.
Order filled.
Oh my god, that stopped me out, guys. What the heck was that? That stopped me out like in a matter of a second. Wow. All right.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm shorting right now. I'm shorting. Yeah, this price action is not good, of course. Globex Asia. But we'll try to play. We'll try to make something happen now. What do you expect from Globex Asia, right? All right, one second, guys. I'm just trying to sign off on the agreement with Fundit Next because they've I passed those accounts and got to set up a master account with them now. So all right, there we go. Futures. So I've got 3 funded accounts with them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah. I don't know. This market's kind of wonky right now. I'm not really sure what this market's trying to do, but so far it's leaning bearish, but again, a quick move back into the 302 or 305 in this area, we could kind of reverse back up again, right? So we'll see. Now we may even pop right now. It looks, every dip has been bought so far, so it's hard to kind of gauge where it's gonna go. We're gonna kind of have to wait. Or maybe we get a slippage and then try to stop me out and maybe pull back all the way down again. I don't know. 5-point slip, yeah. Long it? You're trying to long? I don't know, man. I'm not sure. I'm short right now. We'll see. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. Definitely risking a lot of yeah, I'm down about 350 already on this bad boy, so we had a nice pump towards the end of the day. I don't know if that's going to continue though, right? That's a pretty strong bounce that we actually got towards the end. I don't know if you guys were there. Yeah, it's really too choppy now. Really too choppy. Incredibly chop. So I'm drawing this trend line here. I kind of feel like, you know, we gotta pull back into 260s, I think. Wow, look how slow this market is, guys. Oh my god, incredibly slow. It's not even a slow market anymore. It's back to the real Globex Asia, guys. Wow, incredible. Trending
Order
up,
filled.
but wait for the killer up. Okay, yeah. I'm shorting.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna place my stop here at I would say 298. And that's where my stop is gonna be now, guys. Stop at 298. It is too volatile. Within that 100 ticks, it's kind of hard. Anyways, where's this market's gonna go now? Let's take a look, guys. I still think we pull back, but I guess we're kind of divided so badly, guys. We got a lot of traders here now thinking to go long. So yeah, and that's how difficult this market is to kind of read where it's gonna go. Obviously, the short and the bulls can both make money too. But the question is, We gotta break it down underneath the 275, guys. 275. If we can do that, then I think we have a good chance of a continued pullback here down. Try to roll over back down into the 240s maybe, but we've got to really pull back here now. Let's see if we do that, guys. So I do that trend line there. It looks like it's kind of holding too. I may have to place my stop at the break even or something like that, maybe. Right at this point. I'm gonna try and take one off the table, guys. All right, I'm gonna place my stop at the break even just in case. I do not really want to get squeezed, and next thing you know, you're kind of out of your trade. And plus, on top of that, you're down a lot, right? So I'm gonna place my hard stop here at the break even, guys. Well, let's see. And it doesn't look like it wants to pull back. I don't know. I may try to take some piece off the table on this quick pullback down if we get. What do you think? You might start reducing risks.
Order filled.
All right, guys. See, there we go. I got stopped out there. Oh my God, incredible. Yeah. Yeah. Let's take a look at the gold. The gold probably looks better, I think. To the upside though, let's take a look. 30 minutes chart. Yeah, we are right in the middle, man. It's gonna be really hard for me to even get into a trade with gold, right? Really hard to get into a trade with gold. Right? Just take a look. We're in that triangle now. And we are right in the middle, so... Yeah, no, I wouldn't touch gold for now. Top of the hourly range. Really? You guys are shorting gold? Look at this bounce in this NQ, guys. So there we go, guys. We are getting a bounce in the NQ. There we go, guys. We are getting a bounce. I'm gonna try and long this. I'll place a hard stop here. It looks like we are getting a bounce, guys. I'm gonna try and long on this bad boy. Look for a target back into the 315.
Order filled. Order filled.
Wow, look at this bounce, guys, man. What the heck is that all about?
Order filled.
Alright, guys, I'm long right now, guys. I'm long. Congrats to... I know a lot of you guys were long on NQ. Congrats, man, if you guys were long. That's a big bounce we're getting right now. I'm late, yeah. I'm very late, yeah. I'm definitely chasing it right now at this point. Well, and that's why I've got a hard stop just in case I get knocked out on this. Yeah, I'm kind of chasing, but you know what? We actually got a nice, beautiful breakout. I kind of feel like, you know, we got some more ways to go here down. By the way, guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, and thank you guys for your support. It truly means a lot. Oh, guys, we are looking at that pullback here now.
Order filled.
We'll see. In normal occasions, I mean, this would just keep going, right? And maybe and eventually make me hold my bag, but it doesn't look like that's what it's trying to do. I don't know. We'll find out, guys. We'll find out. I may be down. I don't know. This could, man. If this thing pulls back all the way back into 280s, I'm gonna get freaking annoyed. But so this is back into 300 now, guys. I'm long. I'm looking to see if we can actually get a nice little pop here. I've got 16 contracts, man. That's a lot of contracts here. That's a lot of contracts, right? That's a lot of contracts, Mr. StockTiger. If we can get a nice little pop, it's gonna save my day, of course. But if not, then I don't know, man. I'm gonna be in trouble. Well, let's see, guys. Maybe you get a bounce back into, I would say, 350, right? I think it's definitely doable, but I don't know, man. I don't want to get faked out, so I'm gonna try and believe in my thesis now. I think we broke out of this beautiful trend line, so I kind of feel like we got some more ways to go to the upside. So I'm long here. It looks like I'm kind of chasing, but once we are up in that 340, this is no longer chasing anymore, right? So yeah, it was definitely not it was definitely not in a great A setup. 100%, I agree. Yeah, I was live this morning. And thank you guys for being there, man. Now we are at, on an average, we're getting about 150 to 200 viewers, by the way, during New York streams. We are that's pretty good, actually. For a guy not being very regular, and I thank you guys. Every time I go live, you guys are always there for me, so I cannot be any more thankful, guys. You guys now always find a way to give back to the community. Guys, we are getting a bounce back again. Oh my god, look at that, guys, man. I like that, guys. We are back in green again. This is the biggest mochaccino. Alright, guys, we're gonna do a giveaway, but not giveaway on this chat, man. Do we have giveaway on the YouTube chat? Holy, I don't know, man. Or maybe I should. I don't know. We'll see. I've got 11 contracts. That's still a lot of contracts, by the way. Man, look at this Wix, man. Ugh, so difficult to trade this Wix. I'm getting my eyes are kind of getting rolled up and down like every few seconds. All right, guys. Thank you, and wake me up when we get a bounce in this market. I'm going after long, guys. I mean, I kind of made myself get into a little bit more of a difficult trade, unfortunately, but it is what it is. I'm gonna look for a pump here, or maybe a bounce back up. Let's see if we get it, guys. Let's do Apex giveaway again, guys. Let's do Apex account giveaway right now. Just give me a second, guys. I'm gonna announce it right now on the YouTube chat. So Guys, don't type in those. Don't type in Tiger right now. You gotta wait. Wait. Wait, everybody. All right, guys, go ahead and type it now. Let's go, baby. Let's go, everybody. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, man. Come on. Feel some love. StockTiger. StockTiger. Trade 5 Grand Cup, they're telling me I've violated their rule. You cannot trade micros and minis at the same time. I haven't done that. I don't understand what the heck is their problem. But anyways, guys, nobody cares about that anymore, right? Including myself, including you, nobody cares anymore. Go ahead and type in Tiger, guys, to get yourself a ticket. Everybody's gonna get only one ticket now, right? So frustrating. All right, guys, it looks like a small little bounce we're getting now. Sorry, not bounce, a little pullback here, grind down. I'm not liking this, guys. StockTiger is not liking this anymore. I hope we don't get a dumpage here, guys. Oh dear, I don't want that. But you know what, on a 30-minute chart, it looks pretty nice bullish wick here, right, guys? Let's see. I'm gonna still look for a bounce back, guys. I'm still, my target's still at 330, guys. 330 is my target. 330, everybody. Look at that, guys. What a fake out, man. I am so pissed at this market. This market. Just give me 1 second, guys. I'm trying to set something up right now. So the giveaway is on, guys. Just go ahead and type in those name, Tiger, to give yourself a chance to get a ticket. All right, so I'm looking for a bounce back up again. Let's see if we get it, guys. All right, guys, that's a nice little bounce. By the way, everybody, thank you so much for being here with us and with me as well on a very precious night. Oh my god, look at that. Bounce down, up, down. Oh my god, guys. Can this be real? Are you gonna fall back into the VWAP? Maybe. Yeah. Could definitely be possible. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if we pull back into the VWAP and try to retest that level before we get a bounce again. But this up down is real. Oh dear, I'm getting very annoyed, a little annoyed. But guys, I've got to control my my mental today. I've got to be careful, right? I'm not gonna try and get emotional, right? So in order to do that, I think I've got to really find a way to downsize my my trade, right? Let's try to beat the market, guys, today. We are all in this together, guys. Let's try to kick ass the market today, once and for all, guys. Yesterday, including Globex plus the New York, the only bad trade I had that ended up losing my funded account was Globex Asia. Can you guys believe that? Globex Asia kicked my butt real hard. Now, am I gonna allow that to happen today? Well, if you're gonna allow the market to kind of beat you up twice in a row, then there's definitely some problem. I'm not gonna allow that to happen today. Hopefully. Hopefully I don't make any mistake today, guys. Hopefully. All right. So I've got 11 contracts, which is kind of like reasonable. It's not as bad, right? 11 contracts, and I'm long, and I'm using my XFA account to trade on this, and I'm looking for a bounce back into 320. We're kind of having a little bit of a hard time now, so I don't know. We may get a pullback here down. We got a VWAP here at 294, so we may try to retest the 294, but anyways, guys, I'm still long. I'm holding on to this 300 area. That's my entry, and I'm really looking for a bounce back up again. You caught the open, then blew up on the pullback, and blew up on the open, caught the pullback. I'm not sure what you're talking about, Anthony. Want to go long on GC? Oh my god, man. GC is a different animal. I'm not sure what this gold is trying to do. I did mention, I did draw what do you call this on the chart, and I kind of feel like, you know, we're in that no man's land, if you will, on gold. Oh man, look at this dumpage in this freaking gold. Sorry, NQ. Wow.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna try and quickly take my profits off the table if I can. Want to bounce back up again. Let's see, guys, if we get a pullback here down. Oh my god, we are getting a pullback here. Oh dear, look at that. Look at that wonky price action, guys. Be careful, guys, if you're trading this. Really be careful. Yeah, we got a VWAP here at 294. I've got 15 contracts now. I don't know, man. If we... Yeah, I'm down. I'm down right now. I mean, as long as we hold this VWAP, then I think we should be okay. But the thing is, we are kind of curling back down underneath the EMA support, so that's where I'm kind of okay. Well, could be a little problem, but if you can get, if we end up getting a bounce back into 310, I think we should be okay, I guess. Overall, it looks like we're kind of holding, right? If you just take a look from a 30-minute chart, we got this bullish hammer. We got a new candle now, and that's trying to hold as well. So we'll see, guys. It looks like because you're on the tick chart. If you zoom out on 2 minutes, not that. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's right. we gonna pull back here now? We are retesting the VWAP, guys. This could be an interesting play. Yeah, I'm not sure, man. Not sure. We really gotta hold this, and we gotta really get a big push, but we're just not getting that. It looks weak again, all of a sudden. We may just chop around too, for all you know, right? Looks bullish, and then it kind of fades. A lot of fake outs today, even towards the end of the day as well. We actually got a lot of fakes. Even here, look at this, man. V, 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 right? V here, V, V. I don't know. So we could get a V as well here, right? We got a lot of V's. V's, V's, V's. So we'll see. We had a big V here before the close, man. Look at this V's that we got here. V, V, V. How many V's do we have? Incredible, guys.
Order filled.
Oh my God, guys. We are getting a bounce. Look at that. That's another V. Oh my God. I don't know if I crushed New York, but I think a lot of my trades were actually pretty good. I built a lot of I did not like I got 2 payouts requested this morning. That's the funding ticks and Top Step. But from a trading perspective, I think I did pretty well. I built a lot of cushion on my accounts. That's I think really what it matters, right? When you start to do that, it just gets a lot easier to get a payout, right?
Order filled.
So we got a nice little V shape, right? So I wonder if we can actually get a nice little push now, though. Right, so we'll see how this thing kind of plays out. We are so far kind of respecting the trend line. The VWAP bounce, the EMAs, we try to get back above the EMA support. So now all we really have to do is try to get above this 318, and I think we should be able to try to target I would say 340s now, if we can actually get a nice little pump here. All right, guys, we are back in green. All we really need is nice little push here. One more push is all we really need to give us a chance to get back into a complete green now. Okay, let's see if you get it, guys. What do you think about Lucid? I think they're fine. I think they're fine. But in my humble opinion, I think this DLL is a difficult one. I'll be honest. Okay, and that includes the Tradify and Lucid accounts. I just really kind of feel like DLL, the more I keep thinking about DLL, I'm kind of going, okay, well, I think this DLLs could be a little bit of a trap for traders. It did me more damage than help me. Okay, so don't get me wrong, it did help me in a lot of occasions, but I think it's done more damage than because of DLL than anything else. So if you ask me, I think it's good, but I think it really cannot be the tier 1. So essentially what I'm trying to say is, if you had to pick one firm out of all the firms we have in this market, Lucid and Tradify just cannot be the number 1. And part of the big reason is because of DLL, and I'm just gonna have to be very honest. I still like them. I'm trading those. I've got 6 funded accounts across Tradify and listed accounts, and I'm getting payouts. But it is still cannot be my top 3 firm because of DLL. And some people love DLL. Don't get me wrong, but it's just that it's slightly more challenging, right? Slightly more challenging. So that's really it. Maybe you like it, you know, maybe you love DLL. If you're one of those traders, you really love DLL, then I think Tradify and listed accounts are probably the best ones, right? If you really love DLLs, which I doubt if you guys do, maybe there is. I know somebody said it really helped him because of DLL, but overall I think it does more damage. Just my personal opinion, right? I could be wrong too. But I mean, I've got to be honest, right? I can't just go, okay, well, it's a greatest firm ever just because I'm an affiliate, you know. I'm just not that kind of a style of trader.
Order filled. Order
all right,
filled.
guys, what a beautiful bounce, guys. We are getting
Order
that bounce we
filled.
need. Oh yeah, baby, let's go. Come on, I'm back in green now, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
I have no idea when the giveaway is gonna happen, brother. I have no idea. Maybe a little bit later, right? We gotta give a lot more traders a chance to participate on the giveaway. Because if I do it right now, it's only about 30 participants, right? So we gotta wait. Usually towards the end of the stream is when we call out the winner, right? That's obviously how it is, right? You gotta have more traders come in, right? But thanks for asking, though. All right, guys. Once again, I want to let everybody know, you guys know how much it truly means for StockTiger in the stream that you guys are here with me trading together. You know, we may have losing days, we may have winning days. It doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, we come together, we trade together. You know, we have a lot of fun. You know, we share information. You know, that's what it's all about. And I want to thank you guys once again for doing that, for being here with me, okay? All right, anyways, guys, we're pulling back now. All right, guys, I don't think I need to trade this
Order
bad, but oh my
filled.
God. I'm only up 120 bucks. Oh my God. I missed that. I don't know what I was thinking. I was chatting, I was yapping, and then I exited my trade. I'm so annoyed. I missed that move. I think this could go now. I exited my trade by mistake. StockTiger, which is not okay now. If this is gonna go without me, I'm gonna get so pissed. It's not even funny anymore. I still need I still need about 40 bucks to kind of. Oh my God, it's gonna go now. Fuck me. All right, screw this, guys, man. Oh my God. Damn it, I knew it. We talked about this. Oh my God, everybody. Leave me alone. Now, if I try to show this, of course, you guys know it's gonna rip, right? Oh!
Order filled.
Oh, look at that, guys. Oh my god. Ah. Look at that nasty pullback here, guys. Oh dear. Woo! Yeah, I'm still looking for that pullback here down, guys. The problem is it's too laggy, right? That's the problem with the Globex Asia. It's hard to trade like that.
Order filled.
Oh, I see. I went 20 micros, right? I went 20 micros on that Shredify Grand Cup. That's the reason. Oh my, like that doesn't make sense. The maximum at any point is 10 micros or 2 mini contracts. What the heck does that mean? It doesn't make sense. I've got to send an email to them. What a waste of time, man. Fuck, I'm never gonna freaking trade this fucking thing anymore. Anyways, guys, we're getting a little pullback here down. God damn it. All right, guys, I need a little bit. I just need $50, man. That's really all I need.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think we could get that, right? $50. Come on, we're getting pretty close to that now. Do not. Oh my god, it's incredible, incredible.
Order filled.
Yeah. All right, there we go. I added a few more to try and get to $51 now. With 9 micros. I think we get it, guys. What do you guys think? We get this now. Come on. Here, watch. You guys, watch. Come on. 9... 50... $51, man. I think we get it. What do you guys think? I think we get it, guys. I think we get it.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I added some more to get it to $51. Let's go, baby. Come on. $52. 12 contracts, guys. All right, I'm not gonna touch anything now. You've got to be kidding, guys. Oh my god. Is this actually going to pull back here down? Really?
Order filled. Order filled.
Looks like we're gonna get a pullback instead. Wow, great job. Remarkable.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, looks like we good. I mean, this could be a pretty a bad ending, if you will. Yeah, it looks bearish, man. Looks bearish. Now we really have to hold this area now. If we can't hold this, then we have a big freaking problem. But if we could hold this, then I think we have a chance of a strong bounce back up again. I still kind of like the 30 minutes chart to the long, but I don't know. This market's the 100 tick is
Order filled.
Oh shoot, guys. Is StockTiger back to life again? Or was this just, you know, just to kind of make StockTiger a little excited here,
Order
right?
filled.
Maybe that's what it is. What do you guys think? And that's what it is, everybody. Just to kind of, you know, just to let StockTiger know, hey man, I'm gonna give you a chance to kind of like, you know, take a small little piece of profit, and then I'm gonna have to knock you out again. You know what I mean?
Order filled.
Oh my god, I can't believe I got lucky here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Ah! Goodbye.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm out. I'm down to 4 now. Mr. Forex Elite was right. Guys, I may be having fun here, you know, but just keep in mind, I'm not, again, like I said again, we are not just, oh, hold on 1 second, guys. I'm gonna exit this trade. I'm out of this trade, guys. I'm out. I'm locking in. I'm taking my money. I'm walking away because I just need 150, man. I could have made a lot more. Well, I guess I could have also lost a lot more too. Anyways, guys, we're back here again. Oh my god. Can this be real, guys? All right, I think I'm gonna try long here again. I'm long here again.
Order filled.
I don't know. Some people say I'm reading the chat, by the way. I I'm reading the chat. Somebody said on the chat, you keep getting lucky, but guys, man, I'm telling you again, if you're a bad trader, you can't just keep getting luck, guys. You can't. Right? Even though you're kind of like hoping, you have some confluence, you got conviction on how your trade's gonna kind of play out. You can't just keep getting luck, right? How long is your luck gonna last? You know what I mean? If you're a bad trader, right? Can you keep getting luck? You can't. You cannot do that, guys. You can't. It's impossible. You've gotta you gotta be a good trader to get that. You know what I mean? To get the luck, guys. You can't just say he got lucky, he got lucky. You can't, guys. Please, you're a good trader. That's where you get luck, okay? And you're getting the payouts, right? So whatever you try to do and whatever I try to do, right? There is I've got a plan. I just may not say anything, but you know, I've got some plans, you know. But yeah, I got lucky though. I got lucky in that one. But hey, man, it's okay, man. We need luck, you know, sometimes. Dan Emmons, what is going on, man? It would never work in a live person live account if you yeah, that wouldn't work in a. You see, live accounts are completely a different what do you call this, way of doing things. Okay, we are trading the PROPFIRM accounts. It's a completely different I would say, I don't know, ways of, the process is all different, right? When you're trading the live account, it's very different. I wouldn't be able to do stuff I do here in the PROPFIRM space by doing you know, being on a live account. I can't do that. Even my personal live account, I do it very differently, right? So you've got to, yeah, that's what it is. Don't need to explain, Forex trader. I think they're I think Tradify Grand Cup is just, they're just absolutely fucking messed up, man. They just screwed me, man. Absolutely screwed me over. Like, it's not like we are trying to play tricks, man. What the heck are they trying to do? I don't understand. I have no idea what the hell did they have in my mind. No, they disqualified. They disqualified my account because they're telling me I was in 20 micro contracts. But 20 micro contracts is what, it's okay when you're over $10,000 of profit. So I don't know what the heck they're talking about. Yeah, it looks like Tokyo's open, I think. Tokyo's open now. Yeah, that's right. Wow, look at this wonky price, man. Oh my god. I can't believe what I'm seeing. It's like I'm down.
Order filled.
I'm just with 3 micro. That's it. 3 micro. I completely forgot to add to my position here at 280 now, which is not good, but no, they open now because of the daytime savings. They're open now, so they open at usually they're obviously at 8 p.m. Eastern time. That's when they open, but for now, because it's daytime savings, they open at 7, right? This is like the pre-market, yeah, for them, I guess. Anyways, everybody, don't forget to smack the like, everybody, if you guys are having a lot of fun here today. All right, guys, we are getting a nice little pump here, bounce back into. I like that bounce, guys. I really like that bounce. Obviously, this is a 100 ticks chart, so it's kind of difficult to kind of gauge, but we got a nice, beautiful green candle on a 30 minutes as well. So,
Order filled.
all right, guys, I've got. All right, guys, we're getting a lot of V shapes right today. Let's see. I kind of like it to the upside now. You got a slight little resistance now in the pivot here. We may get a rejection there too. I don't know. We'll see. I've got my stop here right underneath the VWAP. See how it goes there now. 314 this price action. So
Order filled.
all right, guys, nice little bounce. Let's try to see if I can actually make $70 more. I just need $70 more, guys. That's really all I need. So maybe that's the retest of the high here. Now, again, this could just flip-flop and pull back here down. Just got to be very prepared for that. You got to be really mentally strong to trade this Globex Asia. You know? Lately, it's just been so difficult. All right, guys, my final target now. Oh, actually, you know what? No, I lied. I need more.
Order
All
filled.
right, so I'm down to 2 now, but it looks like I still need about $50, maybe $50 or more. $50, yeah, pretty close to that right now. Did you get some payouts? Oh yeah, guys, I got some payouts, brother. Let's take a look at my payouts, guys. I requested 890 this morning, right, from Funding Ticks. And that's the request I made. So while we wait for this market to kind of get a balance, let's go through. Oh my god, Bowser, man, look at you, brother, smoking the master accounts, man. $54,000, 690. That's crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. That's good, man. Good stuff. Good stuff. Very consistent. I like that. Faisal also took $900. Great job. And I took another $1,100 from Top Step as well, right? $1,100 from Top Step. So my total payout so far for the month of November, right now sitting at $4,300. Right now I'm sitting at $4,300, guys. Wow, what a nice little
Order filled.
trade here. I'm final take profit now. I'm getting pretty close. We'll see if we can actually get one more extension here. Actually, you know what? I'll just
Order
take it right now,
filled.
guys. 162, guys. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. All right, that was the part of the plan, right? To oh, sorry, man. The Streamlab. I've got to update that. 1 second, guys. My it's 68 now. It's not 40. It's not 42 anymore. It's yeah, it's $68 on a Funding ticks. I'll get it changed. Sorry about that. But where's that deal though? I can't see that for some reason. Let me see. Oh, there we go. Yeah. All right, I got it changed. All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here now, which is okay by me. Which is okay by me. Dan Amons, 31 ranking, now in the Tradify Cup. Maybe I should be doing that, brother. Maybe I'll just not trade anymore. Freaking wasted my time and energy in trading that bad boy. And I'm disqualified because I traded 20 micros when I'm already up $11,000. What are you talking about? You guys seen that? I was trading that account live. Get the hell out of here, Tradify. Damn it. Don't ever talk to me ever again. All right, guys, we're getting a pullback here now. Yeah, I'm just gonna focus on my funded accounts, man. I get, you know, I'm not here to. I'm not volunteering for any freaking tournament anymore. What a waste of time and energy, man. Fuck. Wow, like fucking, like you make $11,000, you're in that top 200, pretty close to 200, and now your account's gone because, oh, you got into 20 micro contracts. Get the hell out of here. All right, guys, back to, we are getting a little pullback here. That I hope this isn't gonna be. This almost kind of looks like. This almost kind of looks like. Yeah, I mean, I don't effing care anymore. Anyways, doesn't really matter. Forget that freaking thing. I just want it to be in that top 200 to kind of like, you know, try to get to the live account, which I don't even think I can get to the live account, to be honest with you. You guys know the reason why, right? But I wanted to check if I could actually move to live, but anyways, it is what it is. All right, I'm not max long here, but I kind of like the trend line respecting here, right? So we're kind of like moving to the upside, and this trend line's kind of respecting as well. We got a bit of an indecisive wick here. Like if you just take a look from a 30-minute chart, right? We're kind of getting exhausted as we speak, right? The candles that you see, right? It's giving this wicks here up and, oh my god, right? So it's very indecisive at the moment. So I'm like, okay, well, this is not okay by me. See, we got the top and the bottom here, and we are right in the middle now. So we either have to break out of this bar that I just drew, or we break down to give us that clear-cut directional move. Right now we're kind of sitting in that area, and this market is really not knowing what to do. We're kind of exhausted here to the upside, and yet we're also not really wanting to pull this thing down and keep pushing it down all the way, because we got some buying pressure, but the buying pressure is just not enough to kind of push it up again, right? So we're kind of right in the middle. We're kind of stuck in this range, and I'm gonna maybe try to play the channel, right? The channel. Try to go long in this area here. Try to go long here and try to short here. You know what I mean? That's probably my my game plan for now, at least into the rest of the night, I guess. We also have this trend line that we're kind of respecting as well, so we'll see. And we got this little bit of a channel, so we'll see how it goes, guys. We are kind of right in the middle, so I would rather try to go long here and try to short maybe on the top, right? Let me just take a look at the chat. Collecting tears, what is up, man? DR 980, what do you mean collecting tears? Are you having a bad day today? Sprite Monkey, what is up, man? Gen 25, what is up? Profit Factor, screw trade. Well, yeah, I mean, I don't mean that way. I'm just a bit frustrated, right? You know, even though it's my back burner, I'm not really spending lots and lots of time, but still, you're trading, you're spending the time and energy, right? You're paying for the labor, and they just wipe out your profits like in a single go. You know what I mean? And it's not even a couple $100 profit, and that's what. Dan Emmons, you had to wait for a day session. I thought I did. If not, who cares anymore, right? Anyways, guys, we got much better things to kind of focus on. Here, my funded next. I've got funded account right now. There we go. My funded account is looking pretty super duper. So I wonder how many funded accounts you can have with the funded next. I've got 6 accounts now. I've got 2. Yeah, I've got 3 funded and 3 in the works. Getting pretty close. So, all right. So we are kind of pulling back here. I already locked in some. It was yeah, exactly, man. It's just a waste of my mental capital. Absolutely, man. I really kind of feel like I wasted my time, man. Incredible. Zen 25, pretty crazy day today. Luck to have a couple of hundred. Yeah, it was definitely a wild day today. I did not really get into a lot of trades because I was just I had a lot of stuff going on. So, but hey, man, it's I didn't lose anything today. My biggest loss was last night. I can't believe Globex ASIA is knocking me down, which New York can't even do. So it's really frustrating sometimes with how you trade the Globex ASIA. It's a bit of a wake-up call on how to trade Globex ASIA now. So I think I kind of got better at it. We'll see. Mr. 7, what is going on, brother? Great to see you. Lucky 7, green go, man. What up? Profit Factor. Christopher Vordado, what up? Versa in the house, man. I'm using a 100 ticks chart, yeah, and it's too quick, man. Maybe I need to. I want to move this to 150, but I can't do that, right? It's either you gotta choose 100 or 500. Do you trade on your TopStep account today? I did TopStep. TopStep I traded last night. And pre-market I traded, and I took and I made about $4,000 or $5,000 of profit across all my TopStep accounts last night into the pre-market, and then I did not trade during New York on my XFA accounts. Rather, all I did was I requested a payout on my TopStep one, as you guys can see here. Oh yeah, and you know what? Guess what, guys? This is this morning, and this money already in my bank account. Can you guys believe that? And funding ticks as well. Funding ticks super duper fast as well. They send my money in about a day, which is great. which is great. Oh my god, another one. 10 payout receipt. Funding ticks. Kev Low, man. Come on, brother. All right, Kev Low's got to get a badge, of course, man. And that's a $20,000 badge. Good stuff, Kev Low, man. Awesome, awesome. Great job, man. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy. It's not easy, but I'm kind of thinking funding ticks is probably the easiest one to get payout, to be honest. Anyways, guys, everybody's got their preference. So, oh, my Discord link. All right, guys, I'm going to share it again right now. You can use that to hop in to our beautiful Discord with a lot of great traders. With a lot of information too, man. Lots and lots of information, guys. We got a lot of great traders, I'll be honest. Way better than I am, guys. Way better than I am, man. Super duper.
Order filled.
I'm so stoked. I'm just so happy that we have this community, guys. And it's not me who's built this. It's us, right? We built this community to come together and share our journey together, guys. And that's what it's all about. And that's why I keep calling out the payouts and the PNLs of how you guys do every day. Because I want to share how everybody's doing. And we're all trying to share together, right? Look, Monica. We got Bowser, man. Bowser's a killer, man. I have no idea how Bowser's doing this. But anyways, look. Bowser, Take Profit Trader. I don't know, man. There's so many accounts, and Bowser's almost. I almost kind of feel like Bowser's like me, man. Lots of accounts and really happy with, like, you know, a few $100s every day. You see, a lot of his trades are like kind of like $400 to $800 range, and that's exactly what happened to me. Pretty much every day, right? That's how usually I am. I'm not like. I'm not one of those traders that get $10,000 in a single trade. I just can't do that. I just don't have the balls to do that, you know. I'm happy with, you know, $300-$400 every day. Yeah, man, that's pretty good. Bowser, great job, man. Honestly, extremely inspired. Oh my god, yeah, Bowser's not copy trading either. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding, guys. Bowser's not copy trading. What the heck, man? StockTiger version 2, or maybe it's Bowser version 2. I think we probably have a lot of similarities in the way we trade. I mean, not the way we trade, the way we manage our accounts, and the way the game plan, right, on the accounts, and how we want to build accounts. I think we're pretty similar just by looking at this P&L and the payouts, right? I don't have those big payouts, you know. All those little payouts that I get, it all adds up, and that's where I got $25,000 last month, and this month so far we are over $4,000. But if you just think about it from a grand scheme of things, all my requests are small payouts, right? $890 here, $1,100 here, and you gotta scroll up all the way to kind of get to the other payouts that I've actually requested. You know what? Let's just go ahead and take a look at my other payout that I requested. Okay, where's that? What is that? StockTiger, where are you hiding? And that too, on top of that, I got rejected on my payouts on Apex, and that's $4,000, man. So we're excluding that. We still got over $4,000 for the month of November, right at the start. And where the heck is my payout, man? Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, I can't see. Where is it? Maybe it's all the way up there. Oh, there we go, guys. $2,300, right? That's me. $2,300 right there. You know what I mean? So it keeps coming, but the small little payouts keep adding up at the end. And that's what it's really all about. Oh, what the heck is that? Oh, man. Turtle market. That's funny. I like that. Good night, Monica. You have a great night. All right, guys, we are up. Oh my god, guys, man, we got a nice beautiful bounce off that level. Is this a coincidence, guys? We got a beautiful bounce off that trend line, and the problem is I only had one. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to try and add a few more, and the target will be back in the 340. That's the initial high, equal high, and then we'll try to take profit up there. But I'm gonna have to add some more contracts here, guys, in order to get to over 150 bucks, right? So let's see if we get a little pullback here down. All right, guys. Oh no, I think this is gonna go. I really think this is gonna go, guys. Let's try to add some more. I'm with forward contracts now on this. I placed my stop at 292, and I'm gonna look for target into the 334. Okay, so that's 100 and what again? $154, just above the 150, right? So we'll see, guys, how this thing plays out. Hopefully this kind of work out. Oh man. Oh, and by the way, tomorrow's Friday too, right? Tomorrow's Friday, guys. I'll be live tomorrow morning. I'd love to see you guys again tomorrow morning. Guys, man, StockTiger here. StockTiger. Trading all sessions. Since StockTiger trades live, yeah, lately I've been trading quite a lot on the pre-market right before the cash open, guys, and that's what I've been trying to do, and it's kind of worked out pretty nicely. So I'm happy with my results, I guess. I mean, it can always be better, guys, man. Don't get me wrong, but nothing's perfect though. All right, guys, here I am now at 320 now. I'm really looking to see if we can actually get to this 334. I really want to finish this off, so I really have to trade top step anymore, so I can kind of move to something else. I kind of like what I see so far. Maybe we hit it right now, guys. Do we gonna hit this? This is for payout too. Come on, just give me what I need. Let's go. Let's try to add some more, guys. Adding some more. And I'm gonna move my TP here a little less down in that 331, guys. 331. We'll see. 331. Are we not gonna hit it? I'm gonna be surprised if we don't hit that, right? That's gonna be freaking surprising if I don't hit that, guys. I'm gonna get shocked. 331. Are we not gonna hit it? And I'm gonna place my stop at the break even here. I will be in shock if we don't hit that, guys. Oh my god, we're getting a pullback here. Let's try adding some more. All right, I'm gonna place my stop here at 315, and I'm gonna push it down further into, I would say, 329. All right, guys. My TP is getting ever closer to my entry. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding, guys. This is incredible. Oh my god. Yeah, let me just move back to the VWAP. Oh my god, I can't believe that. This all of a sudden looks pretty bearish.
Order filled. Order filled.
I've got 14 contracts. Yeah, I've got 14 contracts. I still like the 30 minutes chart, more bullish, but that's why I'm getting a little bit more aggressive as we get a pullback, because I'm taking a look on a 30 minutes chart, and 30 minutes chart is still looking better. I mean, that doesn't mean that we're just gonna move up, but I mean, the probability just looks better to the upside, right? And that's what I'm kind of looking at right now. And again, I could be wrong. We are trading Globex ASIA. A lot of things can happen in a bad way, but anyways, guys, here my average here at 320.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we are getting a bounce. All right, guys, let's see now what happens. Pretty indecisive so far, kind of like in that range bound, a very tight one too now. I'm down to 12. 2 got hit. Now looking to see if we can actually get a little pop back up again. I don't know. Yeah, we got a VWAP right here at 3082. Looks bearish now, Bowser. Yeah, it's easier to trade this on a long side if we get above the 400 area. Yeah, it's yeah. Anyways, I'm long, guys, and really all it matters is I need my profit. That's it. That's all I need. So I can walk away and lock it out again, so I don't have to trade these accounts anymore tomorrow morning, right? So that's the whole plan, is to kind of like reduce my exposure to tomorrow's morning trade, right? At least I prefer to have like 20-30% of the trades done during Globex Asia and pre-market, so I can kind of like just do the half.
Order filled.
All right, guys, nice little pop here, guys. Come on, just give me that little pop, man. Just a little more. Just 4 points. Come on. How hard can this be? I don't know. That's what its market's telling me, that it's difficult. It's difficult to get like 3 points. Wow, it's so hard to get 3 points, guys. This Asia is just annoying. Annoying today.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go, guys. We are getting what we need.
Order filled.
I just need oh my god, I just need $50 more, guys. $50 more. All right, let's just wait. Let's just wait now. Oh my god. We've been waiting for this. We've been trading this for about 25 minutes now, just to get $150, man. I kind of like it to the upside. I think, you know what? Once we try to crack above this 345, this thing could go all the way back up to like 370 or 380. I don't know. Guys, it's going to hit my TP.
Order filled.
Oh. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We're going to move to the next now. All right, guys, we got what we need. Oh my god, mochaccino. We'll do one more. We'll do one more. We'll leave one for the rest for the next day. All right. All right, now we're gonna pull back here. Nice Elf Flacco, man. That was definitely a lot of pressure, I'll tell you that much. Especially me being like 14 micro contracts, it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. However, it looks like we want to get a squeeze, man. Honestly, look at the 30 minutes candle, guys. 30 minutes candle tells me we want to break out, right? But we're still not yet out of the woods, I think. Right? We're ugh. You were in 5 mini contracts, really? What the heck are you thinking? That's a lot of contracts, man. That's a lot of contracts. Looks like Head and Shoulders. What do you mean in Head and Shoulders? I don't say Head and Shoulders right now. Guys, man, if you're making good trades, keep sharing. I'd love to know, right? All right, so here we are, guys. We're approaching that pretty close to 340, and now we're pretty high up there, right? So it's gonna be, the risk reward is not there for me to kind of get into a trade. So I'm gonna have to look for some direction to move now. Either we pierce through the 340 and kind of get that continuation to the upside, or get a pull back down into the low 300s to, and that's where obviously the VWAP and the trend line support is, right? So, and kind of makes sense to get a little pullback down and then try to push back up again. All right, so far I'm not finding any reason to enter this trade right now. You guys know I love getting into trades, but imagine how bad this price action is right now. StockTiger is not even in a trade. So yeah, let's see how this is gonna react at this level, guys. 340. This is gonna get pretty interesting now. Oh yeah, so you guys want to see how I am doing on my other accounts? I think I'm doing pretty good. I think I did show you guys, right? So I've got over $10,000 on this funded account, and I was supposed to take a payout today, but my consistency is sitting at 35.3, and you have to be 35%. I'm kind of missing that 0.3. Incredible, guys. All I really had to do was get over $800 to get that. Unfortunately, now I'm gonna have to wait for another day, but at least it's gonna be Friday and still gonna be within this week, and it's pretty good, you know. It's over a little less than $11,000 of profit on this bad boy, which is great, right? Which is great. I also have other accounts too. Yeah, everything else is pretty close. And Bullanox, I've got one Bullanox funded account right now. I don't know how I missed that day trading, but so I traded for how many days now? 1, 2, 3 days, 4, 5, 6. I traded for 6 days now. I still need to make 3 more days, and that's gonna be like I've got $4,000 on this account as well. So we'll see how it goes. And of course, all my my PNL, my XFA accounts are looking pretty good too. So. Which prop was that? That's Bullanox. This is Bullanox account that I have. This is the Bullanox. This is the Bullanox account, right? And this is Tradify account. This is Tradify. Where is this again? Here, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my Tradify account. So yeah, so far I built a lot of profits and cushion on a lot of my accounts, right? So all I really have to do is just try to stay a little bit more consistent in the next week or two, and then I probably could see a lot of payouts come out, right? Including funding ticks as well, man. Funding ticks, it's super right. Funding ticks is great, man. Funding ticks, I've got 4 accounts really at the verge of getting payouts, pretty close, right? So I look forward to that payout. You know, I kind of feel like I could get to maybe about $7,000 of payout through funding ticks alone this month, and that's not even saying okay, I'm gonna get it every week. I'm just gonna try and get payouts every 15 days. So maybe get payout once in 15 days. So just twice across 4 accounts, right? And it's probably gonna get me to $7,000 because some of these accounts are over $5,000 payout cap. So, and on top of that, we got funded accounts on Funded Next, which I'm gonna be building as well as we speak. I'll probably end up trading that tomorrow morning. And then of course we got Apex. The Apex accounts are actually pretty good, man. This is like, the Apex accounts are pretty solid, right? I've got over 4,000 on an average. I've got like over $4,400 of profit on each of these accounts, and that's what I'm saying. Taking $8,000 a payout, I may get denied. One of the accounts I kind of hit over 30% consistency, and I did that during the streaming, so I don't know which one is that though. But I probably would end up getting denied. But if I get denied, that's fine. But the next 8 days, I'm gonna be trading for only $50 a day and trade 8 days to get the payout. Is it difficult? Maybe, but I think it's easily doable, right? So all I really had to do is trade for 50 days, $50 or more, $50 only for the next 8 days to get to the payout. I want to have about $10,000 a payout through Apex this month. And funding takes about $8,000. That's already $18,000, guys, man, just this month alone. And on top of that, we've already got $4,400 a payout already. So that puts me in a very good standing to get, I don't know, to get to over 30K, right? It's very doable. That's what I'm saying. Like, if you just take a look at my accounts and my standing right now with the profits, it's not difficult. And I've got 4 accounts on 4 accounts through my Apex Rhythmic, which obviously is not here on this chart, and that too are looking pretty good too. So that's yeah, look forward to that. We'll see how it goes. But I think the goal right now for the month of November is to get to 30K, and the spending about 2,000. So I'm gonna try and really restrict my spending power for November and try to use everything that I have to get to the max payout land. And then when we get to the Black Friday, you guys know, guys, right? You guys know we're gonna get some good deals, right? Black Friday, and I'm gonna be saving my dollars to kind of use that and capitalize on adding more accounts and making this a much bigger empire. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes, man. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I look forward to that. I think the next week or two is going to be really important. Really important, right? How long have you been trading, Tiger? Josh Fisher, I've been trading for a long time now, to be honest. I've been trading for, I don't know, man, about 14 years now. But of course, I've been trading on my personal live accounts, right? It's only been like 25 months, 26 months now in a PROPFIRM space trading. On the futures PROPFIRM, right? It's only been a little less than 26 months. Let's take a look at the chat. If there's some chat going on, I maybe forgot to read. Do you give accounts every stream? I mean, I try to give as much as I can. You see, those big streamers are giving like 7, 8, or 10 accounts a day. I'm probably the least. I probably give the least. Where do you see your consistency percentage on those accounts, JPM? You see that on your Tradify dashboard. It's gonna show on that Tradify dashboard. Which platform or app are you using as a central trading tool? Sergio, I don't use any central trading tool. I see what you're going. I don't use any of that. I just it's all individually, right? Oh yeah, I'm only 17. It doesn't make sense, man. I keep saying I'm 17, but then I've been trading for 14 years, man. How does that work? The math is wrong, guys. I'm sorry, man. I think I got caught now. It's a big mistake, unfortunately. Too bad. It's all over now, guys. I'm not 19. I'm not 19 anymore. All right. I lied. We try to make this a little fun, but I guess I'm... Oh well. That's what happens when you try to be too honest. Maybe I should have said I've been trading for about a year because I'm only 17. Well, not anymore now. It's not possible. Too late now. Too late. Maybe. Alfred Haywood, what is going on, man? Tag was trading in fiscal. Yeah, exactly. I was trading since 8-4. Oh my god. All right, guys, man, this market's kind of really slowed down now after that big moves. We really had a nice volatility step in here, guys. It wasn't a small little channel range. It was a pretty big, man. We are kind of trading within that 80 points range, guys. Can you guys believe that? Take a look at this chart, guys. This is a 100 ticks chart, and we were high 336 all the way down to 280. If you do the math, it's about 50 points. And then rip your face off, bounce back up again. That's another 80 points. And then pull back down another 80 points. We had a lot of chance to make a lot of money, guys, today. Did StockTiger capitalize on that move? I probably took not as much as I would love to. We definitely had a lot of chance to kind of get a lot of good trades. But again, but at least I'm in green, right? At least I'm in green. It's not easy to trade your funded accounts during Globex Asia, by the way, right? I'm taking a stab trading with high risk, right? But at the same time, I'm trying to really manage my risk too. So it's gonna be hard for me to kind of lose my funded account during Globex Asia. Yesterday was a little bit of an exception, right? You know, but anyways, guys, I want to finish this off. I want to finish this trading here on this account. I want to get my $150 and I want to lock it out so that I can move to something else now. You made 6,000 raw trades on what? On what account? Holy man. You mean this morning? You started at 3 years old. JQ? Come on, man. And your son plays the trumpet. Yeah, and yeah, that's true too. That's another one. Oh my god. On 3 funding ticks. All right, raw trades. I didn't realize you started trading on funding ticks, by the way. Guys, man, I'm not getting anything meaningful from this price action so far. As much as I like to get into trade, it's like, well, what am I gonna try and get out of this trade? We could just continue moving up here, guys. We actually broke out of a very important key level, 340, and obviously you guys see I've drawn that there. We really broke out of this level now. If we can hold this, I think we could keep pushing here back into like 368. Right? 368 is definitely doable, man. A very strong push here, guys. I'm going to try and long here on a pullback. I'm going to try and long on a pullback here, guys. Okay, that's what I'm going to try and do. I mean, as long as if I can actually grab maybe about 3 to 4 contracts on a way, on a pullback, that would be nice. I wouldn't mind. So let's see, guys. We'll see how it goes. I don't know if you're gonna get that pullback, just based off what we are seeing now. This candle. Look at this candle, guys. It's incredible. This candle is like a super duper rocket launcher kind of a candle we're getting right now. When you say Asia market, which market are you talking about? When I say Asia market, we're talking about Tokyo, right? We're talking about Tokyo Open. That's the Asia market. The actual Asia market opens at, before the daytime, it was at 8 p.m. Eastern time, right? Now it's 7 p.m. Eastern time because Tokyo opens as usual, and we got a daytime saving now. We're 1 hour behind. So technically Asia opens at 5, sorry, not 5 in my time. So 7 p.m. Eastern time. And that's when Tokyo opens. And that's the Asia. What time does Shanghai open? Honestly, I don't know, and I don't want to know. And honestly, I don't care. It doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter. Shanghai open, what time? Like, now we're gonna get too much into details, the micro details, which we honestly, I don't know if that really matters, because that's not gonna move the needle anyways, right? Shanghai, Mumbai, Sydney, it doesn't matter. Maybe the only thing that we could really matter is Tokyo. That's it, and then it's done. And then we just trade the price action. You know what I mean? By the time you try to take a look at all those, you know, the market openings, it's going to be difficult for you to get into trades. It doesn't move as well either, right? What is Shanghai going to do? Move like 5 points? Unless you get some pretty significant report coming out, like PMI China or maybe GDP China. That's a different conversation. Yeah, Shadow Monarch, I don't know, man. Maybe, you know, some people say it's a pretty good price action by the time we get to Shanghai, but I don't know, man. Me personally, it never really did matter. What matters to me is New York. That's really all it matters. At the end of the day, New York, right? New York, the cash open is what really matters the most at the end of the day. Oh my god, man, I'm looking for that pullback. You're not even getting any of that pullback here right now. Not even a few points. What is your dollar goal per trade? For example, once you're over $100, do you sell or wait for the higher profits? Honestly, I don't really care about how much I make. Right? That's not the initial goal. The initial goal is obviously to get into a trade at the right place, right? Meaning the right entries, right? And taking profits at the right levels. But at the same time, you're thinking about your $150 that I said 150 because that's all I need to count as a day. But that's not the main goal, right? I need a good trade. I need to get into the right entries to get into a good trade. But I'm not gonna get greedy, right? Because I only need $150. So all right, guys. Now we're getting a little pullback. So we hit that ceiling. We're getting a resistance here. We are pulling back a little bit. So let's see how far we can actually dip down. Still looking overall pretty bullish, right? I kind of like this idea better. Get into like 365 in this zone. Maybe get a little pullback down here. And then try to pierce back up again. And break out of this initial high. And continue moving higher. Right back up again. So now the question is, how deep of a pullback we are going to get right now. We could get a pullback all the way down into this. And this and this. And that's the VWAP here, curling back up, and we got a trend line support as well. So we could get a pullback here, but it looks pretty strong though. Pretty strong. It's a higher low, higher low. So yeah, let's see. I've got 3 contracts here right now. Let's see. I may try to. Well, yeah, I still need a lot of contracts to kind of get $150. We'll see. How are you trading this slow market session? I mean, it's not easy, but I mean, you know me, I trade every day during Globex Asia, and you see me how I trade. It kind of suits me better because I like trading micro scalping, right? So I'm not saying I'm not a micro scalper, but in a lot of cases, I'm okay to kind of be a micro scalper, and Globex Asia could kind of be a perfect setup to do that, right? Yeah, but at least I take a lot of risk trading Globex Asia, guys. You know, I don't know if that many traders kind of take risk as much as I do, right? And when I say I'm taking risk, I'm I feel a lot more confident trading Globex Asia, right, with funded accounts. You don't necessarily see me just trading evals, right? You see me trading a lot of funded accounts during Globex Asia, and at the same time banking. You know, lately, if you just think about it, 2 days ago I made over, I think, $78,000 on funded accounts alone trading the Globex Asia 2 days ago. I kept banking, did not lose any single trade, right? Taking $6,000 to $8,000 of profit on that Globex Asia alone 2 days ago, when the market actually started to tank about a point and a half. And that was literally about 400 points, right? Pull back. It just kept pulling back all the way. And that day we made about $68,000 purely on a funded account as well. And I wasn't trading a eval account at all that day. So when it's time to take advantage of this market volatility, I'm stepping in. Even if it's a Globex Asia, it doesn't matter. I mean, obviously it doesn't really work all the time, right? You're gonna get into losing days. I mean, I get into losing days all the time doing New York, so and I'm sharing, guys, man, I'm sharing my accounts there. I'm telling you how many accounts I have across all the firms, because a lot of you guys have been asking me for more information on how many accounts I have, on what firm and what am I trading, right? So I've shared that with you, and I've got my November target as well, which is obviously very doable. I'm not just putting a number out there just to kind of show you that oh, that's what I want. Those are numbers that that is realistically possible, right? And it's proven. I'm a proven trader. I've taken $25,000 last month and over $200,000 this year, right? And so when I say my target is $30,000 for the month of November, it's not a joke, because I've already taken a little less than $5,000 already this month, right? And today I took 2 payouts, one with Top Step and one with funding ticks, right? So it's a lot of these things are just in front of us. So payouts keep rolling in, guys, and we have a lot of accounts to kind of play with. I'm really gonna try my level best to get to a new milestone for November, guys, and hopefully we get a good chance. We get some good deals in November Black Friday. I may be able to capitalize on that and just keep adding and adding and adding, make this empire much bigger. I don't know if I can do that though. I mean, if TradeFi, for example, comes with a $40 account on a 50K, like, it's no brainer, right? You're gonna have to add, even though you have like 500 accounts, for example, by the time you do that. Why have you never gone on Top Step TV if you are doing that well with Top Step accounts? I mean, hold on 1 second, guys. All right, guys, we're getting a pullback here. This is a pretty nasty pullback here down. Like, is there a reason why I have to even be on a Top Step TV? First of all, I'm not even sure if I'm qualified to be on a Top Step TV. Meaning, I don't think I'm good enough to good enough in a sense, you know. Public speaking, if you will. Nothing to do with trading. Just to be on TV. I don't think I'm qualified in that sense, but there's no reason for me to be on a Top Step TV just because you're banking great payouts. That doesn't qualify you to be on any TV, right? Yeah, guys, man, we're getting a pullback. It's not a great looking chart now. All of a sudden, pulling back at 326, man. I don't know. You're making good money and are doing good job speaking in front of an audience. No, no, I'm not good. I'm not good. You're good enough. Nah, I'm not. Corey the scalper, you're 111 cents in the negative already on that Express. I'm negative? Yeah, negative on this Express account. Really hitting this market right now. Oh my god, I'm sorry, man. Are you a full-time trader? I'm not a full-time. I trade every day. I trade every day in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. I trade when I'm taking a shower. I trade in the washroom. It doesn't matter, guys. I trade. So in that sense, I'm a full-time. But this is not a full-time for me, because this is a part-time for me, because this is not a main source of income, right? For me, this is not a main source of income, so this cannot be a full-time. But guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, man. Show some love. Show some love, everybody. Let's go, baby. No, I have a business. I make pretty similar, I would say. But you know what? This is not like, you know, you're making $30,000 every month, right? Some months you're gonna be less. Guys, man, I don't like this price action at all right now, guys, man. I could be in trouble on this bad boy. I'm gonna exit this. I'm gonna exit this, guys. I don't like this. I'm down about 110 bucks, but I'm gonna be out. Let's just wait. I don't like this. We're getting a lot of exhaust wick here, guys, man. So yeah, very difficult to kind of gauge where it's gonna go. I mean, even if you get a bounce, I'm not gonna cry about it, right? But it's hard. It's hard because I don't want to get cooked like last night. Last night I got cooked because I kept adding, thinking, well, this is Globex Asia. How much more can you actually end up getting a pullback? But of course, Globex Asia last night gave you that nasty 200 points pullback, and of course I ended up getting cooked. So it's no longer Globex Asia that we know, guys, man. This Asia market could actually give you that huge, massive pullback that we would as you come as a surprise for all of us, right? So I've got to be careful, and it moves so fast, right? I mean, all of a sudden you could be like down 60-80 points. So that's what I don't like about that's why I'm a little bit more cautious, put it that way, trading Asian market. All right, guys, we hit that trend line there. We're kind of holding that trend line, so I don't know. Bro, last night it cooked you as bad? Oh, really? IRMZ? Oh, yeah, man. Last night, man, I lost that account. Really important account. Trump is tweeting now. Oh, my God. JT111. Oh, Bowser, you're short from the top, man. That's a pretty good trade. But again, guys, I'm not sure, man. I'm just looking at this 30 minutes chart. I'm kind of going, okay, well, what do you guys make out of this chart? This chart is telling me, I don't know, man. I'm not bullish or bearish at all. I'm kind of neutral right now. And that's what makes me like difficult to get into a trade. Unless it's a last night, and then it's a giant W that goes to apparently 29. 29,000? Are you 29,000? Well, are you sure 29,000 or are you talking about 25? I don't know where you come with this $29,000, brother. And that's like $5,000, $4,000 away from where we are now. I told everybody to short this AM in the morning, and I even said this was a high of the day. Oh yeah, did you mention that, Bowser? I didn't see that. Bear flag, Zaid, TTV. Yeah, I love shorting too, but apparently I've been not as good as I would like it to be shorting. I tend to be better at adding on my long positions, but trying to short the market, I just not been that good. Maybe I add to my short position too fast, too quick, you know what I mean? So it's like when I'm going long, I'm like giving a lot of gaps, right? Like giving a lot of room, and like, you know, give myself like 20-30 points in between to add to my position. But when I get into trading short, I keep adding too quickly, like, you know, maybe every few points, and that's what the problem is, and it rips through all my short position and obviously takes me down. So I've got to be better at trading short now. Usually I used to be a lot better. Just, I don't know, man, it's just been tough lately for me, at least. Your shorts are 90% winner. Oh my god, really? Yeah, I mean, some traders, they love shorting, and they're really good at shorting. I was a good shorter too myself, but lately it's been a bit of a challenge, I'll be honest. Lately it's been a bit of a challenge. Yeah, I hope to get better at it though. Just not been that great. Guys, man, looks pretty weak here, right? I don't know, man. I just don't like this. Oh, but now it's too late now. Maybe let's try to short this bad boy, guys. Let's try to short this, man. This could be another leg to the downside. The first leg was here, and then now we have another leg pushed down, right? Oh, but now it's too late now. It's already getting a pullback here. It's gonna go without me, I guess, right? Oh my god. I think the hardest part of the PROPFIRM trading is that it's aggressive bounces to your floor. Yeah, that's true too. You're right, IRNZ. Ace Gainer, what up, man? What is going on? Anthony, Cal Bisky, everybody, welcome, guys. Oh my god. Oh, this is gonna go without me now. Incredible. StockTiger. Yeah, I don't even think it's gonna come near my limit order. Should I try to go long here now? Or should I try to go long here?
Order
let's
filled.
try to go long, guys. I'm gonna try to long this bad boy. Let's try to take a chance
Order
here.
filled.
I've got 3 contracts now. Let's see. Where's my stop gonna be? My stop is probably gonna be down in that I would say 288. Yeah, 288. Oh my god, guys, this pullback is pretty nasty here. Are you kidding me? Really?
Order filled.
Really? Are you gonna tell me you're gonna pull back all the way down into the 280s now? Wow. This is not looking good.
Order filled.
That's it, man. I don't think I can add any more than that, to be honest. Maybe at max 2 more. That's it. Looks like we are retesting at 280 now. This is not looking good, guys.
Order filled.
Oh my god.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, this is the most I can add. I can't add it anymore. Let's see if we can actually retrace back to 50%. That would be 300 area. 300 area, guys. 300 area.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Let's try to see if we can actually get a little bounce back up again. Oh man, I'll be pissed if it pulls back all the way down again. Oh my god. Yeah, this is definitely a risky trade now. We have a chance of a flush down as well, so... Oh my god, look at that. 280. Definitely not good. This is definitely looking like another leg to the downside. Unless we get a bounce off this level now. I can't believe now all of a sudden it's looking so bearish, right? We're right in that resistance now. Oh, sorry, the support. A major level of support, so we'll see how it goes. I may have to quickly take my profit off and run away if I can. I'm gonna place my my limit order pretty close to my entry now. Let's see if we get it, guys. This is definitely a lot of risk, right, in this trade. Are you seriously not going? Oh my god, I can't believe that, guys. I kind of feel like this could be a little bit of a bottoming process, a W pattern.
Order filled.
Get a bounce back up
Order
again.
filled. Order
nice,
filled.
guys. Nice, nice, nice. It's paying.
Order filled.
Nice. We're back down to 3 now. Okay, let's see if guys we get a bounce back up again into the VWAP. Next take profit if I can, and into the VWAP here. And the follow through extension would be the next take profit. My stop here is gonna be at the break even now, guys. See how it goes. Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. Guys, don't forget to smack the like as I'm watching you, everybody. If you guys want to support the stream, if you guys love what you guys see, if you guys want to hang out every day with StockTiger, don't forget.
Order
Thank
filled.
you guys. So much love. Oh my god, Corey the scalper, are we in the same box? All right, guys, are we gonna get a pullback now? Maybe. I mean, I don't know. Maybe we get a bounce. We get an up bounce. I don't know. This definitely got a nice, beautiful bounce off that low, though, guys. Just take a look, man. These are not coincidence that we are drawing these boxes, right? These boxes, this channel, you know, or whatever you guys would like to call it. These are all those levels where this price starts to react at those levels, right? You know, and that's what it is. It's all about. I like it. I like it. All right, so let's see if we get a bounce right now. That's a beautiful bounce off that low again. Jeez, man. Are you in Korea? No, I'm not in Korea, brother. I'm not. Anthony, amazing. You met, get funded for Friday's New York session. Oh. GC, baby. Oh, really? What's going on with GC now, guys? I am not in Korea. I wish I was in Korea, though. It's a beautiful country. It's a beautiful. Oh, guys, we are pulling back here. I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order filled.
I exited that trade, guys. I'm down to pretty much break even. I got into 2 trades. I got into the first trade losing one, and this is my second trade, a winning one, and we're back to break even. I'm not sure now at this point what to do. Really, I may have to wait a little bit now. But that's a beautiful wick though to the upside, right? I kind of like it long, but. You see, this market does what it wants to do, right? So yeah, I sent an email to oh yeah, guys, man. I've got in 3 days I'm gonna be requesting about $4,000 from TopStep. And on top of that, we got funding ticks. I'll be requesting. Where's funding ticks? Funding ticks. I'll be requesting $3,000 on funding ticks, on top of the request that I made today. And yeah, funded next. I'm fairly new to the funded accounts, so we're gonna wait for those to kind of play out. Tradify tomorrow payout. Lucid not there yet. Oh, why is it locked out? Billanox in 4 days. Next week, Billanox I get a payout. Unless I make some stupid mistake. I don't think it's gonna be that case because I've already have $4,000 profit on it. Take Profit Trader, I haven't traded that. No, I have one pro right now. I haven't traded Take Profit Trader Pro account because I'm waiting on my I'm waiting for 3 more accounts to be activated. So once I have 4 accounts, and I'll start trading again. So there I am, guys. Yeah, running with 30 funded accounts now, which is good, which is really good, guys. And a lot of those accounts have a lot of buffer on it, right? When I say buffer, I mean a lot of profits, right? So it's easier to get payouts with you know, as long as I show a little more consistency throughout this process, right? For the next 2 weeks. What are the consistency rules for an Apex account? Apex account is 30%, right? The only catch about the Apex is that when you're at 30% consistency, it's not just the realized gains, right? It's also unrealized gain that will be important. That's going to be part of that 30%. Unrealized and realized both. And also you have a scaling, which is another problem. You cannot scale into, so you cannot have more than, I think, 4 or 5 what do you call this, mini contracts before you get to the buffer, right? So let's say if you have no profit, if you have a fresh new account, funded account with you, and if you try to get to 5 mini contracts right off the bat, that's going to be flagged. And when you try to request a payout, by the time you get to the buffer, you're going to get denied. Trading, yeah, so to make it very simple, if you want to get approved with Apex, to make it very simple, stay within 1 or 2 mini contracts, right? With no, like, no adding, you know, probably the best way to do this is probably just scalp, right? For that $300-400 every day, and in 10 days you're gonna get to about $4,000, and there's no way you're gonna get denied on that account. But it's tough though. It's tough. It's not easy. I get denied all the time with Apex, unfortunately, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are also getting denied too. It's not easy. You just purchased the 50K Apex account. How much can you make per day? So that's from the total target, right? The profit target is I think you're okay with between $8,000 to $1,000. Just try to stay within that $800. I think you should be fine. What is usually the denial for the payouts? I mean, if you're part of my Discord, then you are gonna see. I always share the reason why I get denied, right? Some of them are scaling violations. Some of them are 30% consistency, and that's it. That's really it. There's two main reasons why you get denied, right? 30% consistency, and one is scaling in violation. Apex deny more payouts than any other prop firm. They deny more payouts than anybody else, but they also pay you the most, right? That's the, you have to be you know, like, it's, yeah, it kind of sucks obviously when you get denied, but they pay you the most as well. Like last month I got $11,000 of payout in the month of October just through Apex alone, and that is probably the most I had compared to everybody else. Out of the $25,000 that I got last month, 11,000 was just through Apex alone, right? So that's literally about 35 to 40% of the total profit just through one firm, Apex. In your pro account with Lucid, mainly trading the Anchor GC, but I'm scalping a lot from 1 or 2. Yeah, I mean, it should be fine. Devel, okay, guys, we're getting pulled back here. I don't like this, man. I don't like this chart at all, to be honest. This almost kind of feels like a bearish head and shoulders. Not a clean one, to be honest, but almost kind of feels like a bearish head and shoulders. I'm gonna try and show this bad boy right now, guys. I'm looking for a pullback down into, I would say, yeah, overall, man, this market's not looking bullish at all right now, guys. I don't know. I don't like it. I'm gonna try and short this bad boy on a bounce, maybe up to 5 contracts, and I'm gonna really look to make about 50 bucks. Sorry, 150 bucks, right? That's really all I need.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, man, I got filled. And that was a pretty quick fill there as well.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna try and make a quick scalp here if I can. Because, like I said again, I just need what again? How much more? Yeah, I just need about $70 more now. Oh, maybe that's a wrong trade. Maybe I'm on the wrong side, guys. Oh dear.
Order filled.
We could still get a bounce.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, that's a little bit aggressive. I'm gonna try and quickly take this profits off the table on a quick bounce back into 268.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm out. Yeah, let's go, baby. All right, so that's 182 bucks right there in my pocket. So that's it, guys. Top step is done. Top step is done. Let's take a look at something else now. Wow, that was it's fun. Billionox, I'm gonna leave it till tomorrow. I will trade Billionox tomorrow, not today. Let's try to see what else can I trade. I've got $10,800 on that account. Fiona, go take a look on my chart on the left hand side. I've given that little box there. That's all my accounts across all the firms. And that's my information there. I hope that's self-explanatory. I trade New York Open. I trade the first 15 minutes of the Open as well. Yeah, I do. I do quite often, to be honest. I do quite often. Yeah. All right, guys, here I am now. We are on a trade of 8 funded next accounts, but I wonder if I really want to be doing this right here. Maybe move to something else. I don't know. Let's try to move to, man, I have a little bit of a trauma with the trading funding ticks on the Globex ASIA now. You guys know the reason why. After getting smoked last night, I want to be careful. Apex, I don't know if I want to be doing this. Apex. All right, let's trade 35 funded account, guys. Oh man, I may have to go. Shit. I've got some stuff I gotta take care of. Oh man, what a pullback here, guys. This is a pretty nasty pullback that we're getting right now. So 30 minutes, we are breaking down. Let's draw this little pivot here. Not looking good, guys. Not looking good. Not looking good. All right, so here we are. Right, so we kind of respected that trend line. That's right here at 262. So, but it looks pretty weak though overall. I think we cracked underneath this, and maybe get a pullback all the way down into the 194, and that's literally about 70-80 points away from where we are now. So I think it's doable. It's just that I want to wait for confirmation. Like, you know, I've got to take a look and see if we are gonna get a bounce off this level, and can we really get a pullback underneath this level too? Right, so I'm gonna have to wait to see how this price is gonna react at these two levels now, and then I'm gonna try and either short or try to go long. Fiona, do you trade your personal account? I was going to get to a personal live account on my futures trading, but I wasn't sure if that was a good idea. But I do personal live accounts with my my on equities. I trade well, I don't trade. I do a lot of swing trading with my equities, right? Equity trading, my equities, right? I do a lot of equity trading, but swing trading. But for futures, I only do it with PROPFIRM now, and I'm still kind of disputing if I really have to get to trading futures with my own live account. Just wasn't sure. Oh yeah, you have? Yeah. I mean, one little mistake, you know, one little mistake and you end up losing your account, right? I'm not losing your account, you get into big, massive damage, right? And that's why I'm like, you know what, maybe I shouldn't be doing that. All right, so here we are, guys, 263. We're kind of like playing within this range, right? Playing within this range, so I don't know. So we may kind of chop around in this area for a while. And guess what? Once my streaming is over, the market starts to tank all the way back down. Guys, we just cracked underneath a very, very important level. What does that mean? Let's see if we retest this area 260 and get a rejection of the level, and then bang, pull back here, guys. Let's see now. Once again, everybody, I'm gonna share my Discord link again. By the way, take a look. This is my Discord link. If you guys want to be part of the great community, that's the link there for you. And also, this is not my main channel. You guys know I've got a main channel, and my main channel link is right here. Please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell as well on that main channel, because I go live time to time using that main channel too during New York. So I'd love to see you guys there. So that's my main channel link that I'm sharing right now. Go ahead and subscribe to that channel and hit that notification bell as well. And the Discord link is also shared right now on the YouTube chat. How many years of trading did it take for you to be profitable? It took me a long time. I think it took me a long time. I think it took me maybe about 5 years to be profitable, to be honest. For me, it took me a lot longer, right? Because I did not have a mentor, right? I didn't have a mentor, right? And of course, that doesn't mean that if you have a mentor that you're going to be profitable faster. It's not like that. But I mean, I was literally on my own with a lot of bad habits, and I was doing a lot of, you know, weird stuff like trading a natural gas, for example, with 3 times the leverage, and I was putting like $6,000-7,000 into the work, you know, trading U-gas and D-gas, right? Trading JNUG, Nugget, and this was many years ago. I think this was probably in that 2014, 2012, 13 area. So I did a lot of things that I shouldn't have done. So I got into a lot of negative P&L, and then obviously I had to really curl back up again. But it took me a long time to kind of get back in green, if you will. A long time. So I hope you are profitable though. All right, guys, we are getting a rejection of that level now. Let's see. I'm gonna try and short this bad boy. And I'm gonna look for a pullback here into the 235. See that resistance there? And we get a bounce. I'm gonna place a hard stop. You guys know what happened yesterday. It bounced and quickly went up,
Order
right?
filled.
So I'm gonna place a hard stop here to kind of make myself, to protect myself and not get cooked on that trade. It could run pretty fast as well on a bounce, right? So I've got to be careful. So I placed my hard stop there to kind of like protect myself.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I went short now. Let's see if we get a little bit of an extension down. Once again, we are pulling back pretty hard here, guys.
Order filled.
Okay, so we are pulling back now. I am gonna place my stop here. I'm gonna trail my stop to 250. Well, 260.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
add some more, guys.
Order
I'm gonna add some
filled.
more.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm gonna be risking about. I'm gonna risk about 150.
Order filled.
I'm playing it very tight, guys. Very tight. And if I'm gonna get stopped out, I might as well get stopped out early.
Order filled.
Oh my god, look at that mochaccino, guys.
Order filled.
Oh my god, look at that, guys.
Order
Oh
filled.
my god. Oh, no. Woo! I'm greedy. I want more profit, so.
Order filled.
What the heck is going on right now? Alright, guys, I'm down to 5 contracts here.
Order filled.
Yeah, I was like, no, don't take my TP, all of my TP. I need a few piece. And that was a nice trade, trade idea, right?
Order filled.
A beautiful trade idea, guys, man. Super duper. StockTiger making the move.
Order filled.
Oh my god, last 2 piece in the table, guys.
Order filled.
Oh my god, last 1 piece. Oh my god, everybody. Whoa! We took a stab and we beat the market today. Finally, guys. Hey, you market, are you listening to me right now? Backing you to your face. We got it back, guys. We got it back, everybody. All right, I'm gonna have a hard stop here. It's just 1 contract now. Nothing really truly meaningful. Not bad. I mean, I'll yeah, I'm just down to 1 now. 1 last piece. I think we gotta flush it down, man. I mean, not a bad trade. I'll take this $500 and walk away. This is a funded account, right? This is funded account, Tradeify. Yeah, that's it. You know, this is my final piece. Let's see if we're gonna hit it right now. One last piece, guys.
Order filled.
Because I've added 1 more. I've added 1 more. I'm looking for a pullback here, but I may get stopped out, which is fine. I've added 1 more, just 1 more. I may get stopped out or what?
Order filled.
All right, guys. I've added 1 more as well. I'm down. I'm got 3 contracts here. I may get stopped out. It's fine. I'm still looking for that freaking pullback
Order
here,
filled.
guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I got stopped out. Man, that's a freaking bounce. I give it a try. Man. That was a. I wanted to. It's fine. That was very intentional. I was like trying to look. I was trying to look for that flush down, but obviously, that never really happened. Now we're getting a bounce. And that's a bullish wick now we got. So. Yeah, I was up 550. Down. I'm down to only 250 now. We're gonna get it bounce back up again. Oh my god. Incredible.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna place my stop at the break even. Now let's see if we get a little bit of a push back up again into the 260 first, and maybe call back up again into, I don't know, 280 area. Let's see if we get it, guys. And let me try to, maybe I should place my stop here a little down in that 227. Yeah, this is gonna be my last trade of the day, but I kind of like it to the upside though. I've got 5 micro on this trade. Yeah, we could also pull back, so I'm really kind of like, well, trying to be careful. Trying to be really careful. I don't want to add. That's just I just don't want to keep adding pressure. That's all. So we'll stick to 5 micro here. I'm gonna be risking about $110. I'll be still in the green, of course. Yeah, that's it. We'll see how this thing go now. I think that the wick that we had on a 30-minute chart makes me kind of believe that this could be a bounce back up again. But again, we really have to get above this level now, right? We got to pierce through that 250 zone, and that's got to hold to kind of take this thing back up into the area that we actually started to pull back from, right? So all right, guys, now I'm gonna trail my stop to break even, and now let's look to see if we can actually get a bounce back into that level that we just talked about, back into the VWAP. If we are able to do that, that's great. I'm gonna place my limit orders as well along the way. Try to take piece off the table.
Order filled.
One down to 4 now, guys. We'll try to take my stop. Yeah, my stop is break even now. I'm not gonna move that. Just leave it there, you know, nice and handy. All right, so we are getting the profits that we kind of lost on that initial bounce. So it's good that we are kind of right here right now. Like I said again, guys, we got the main channel, YouTube, that I've shared the link. Subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell as well, please. And I've also shared the Discord link to you guys. And thank you guys for using my code as well, all of you. My code for all the firms, pretty much Tiger, right? TIGER, and I thank you guys so much for using my code and supporting this channel too. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Mwah. Do you trade the London session? I really want to, but I need some sleep, right? If I start to trade London, I think I'm gonna get it's not gonna be a good ending New York trade. I'll tell you that much. Including Asia. I'll be on a sleep mode. I did a few times though in the past, but then I'm like, you know what? The more I start to spend the time and energy trading London, I kind of feel like I'm getting worse and worse trading New York. And of course, New York obviously being the biggest and the largest, right? It did not really make a lot of sense for me to. The risk reward is not there for me to trade London, right? That's the big problem. I'm on a mountain time, so we are 2 hours behind Eastern time, right? So Eastern time right now would be at 8:46, and I'm right now at 6:46. Oh yeah, let's do a giveaway. Yeah, that's right. Sorry about that, guys. Hold on. Hold on. All right, guys, it's time to do the giveaway. I'm going to close the entries, guys. Where are you in Canada? We're in Alberta. In Alberta, the biggest and the largest farmland. All right, guys, is this market going to try and pull back here? Hold on one second, guys. I'm going to try and take one off the table right now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order
filled. All right, guys,
filled.
let's take hold on once again. Why am I down to 1? should be taking one off. Oh my god.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, exited that trade. I'll lock it in. Not the greatest profit, but it is a profit, right? At the end of the day, so I'll take that. The market looks pretty choppy, so let's just do our giveaway now and call it a day, guys. I thank you so much, everybody, for being here. As always, love you guys, and we are going to pick the winner now. The winner, please make sure to claim your price within 24 hours. You're gonna have to contact me through Discord, right? And then I'll take care of your price. For now, let's pick the winner. Good luck, everybody. All right, guys, Rob Bonner. Rob Bonner is the winner of our giveaway, guys. Rob Bonner. So Rob Bonner is gonna have to talk to me once the streaming is over. Send me the friend request so I can go ahead and take care of your giveaway. Okay. And you're gonna have to prove that it's you, right? That nickname that you have there, you're gonna have to be able to prove to me, right? So congrats once again, Rob Bonner. What a beautiful name there, guys. What a beautiful name. Rob Bonner. All right. Rob Bonner won the giveaway. All right, guys. That is a funny name. Yeah, that's right. All right, everybody. It's time. It's that time of the day. StockTiger has to get going. Right? Thank you so much, everybody. I love you guys. Once again, thank you for using my code TIGER across the firm. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you always for being here every day with us, every day during Globex. And I guess I told you guys I go live during New York as well, 2 or 3 times a week. So just make sure to hit that notification bell all the time to make sure that you guys don't miss out on the live streaming in the morning. Make sure to hit that like before you hop out, guys, as well. Thank you, everybody, once again. I hope everybody have a great rest of the night. God bless everybody, you and your family. Thank you once again for being here. Have a great rest of the night. Thank you and peace out, everybody. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye. Love you guys.